While we have several options for channel bank replacement, today we're going to be talking about replacing a channel bank with our JumboBank solution. Channel banks, while widely used, now suffer from obsolescence and lack of support as many manufacturers have exited the market. TC Communications can provide an ideal solution for replacing channel banks, and specifically, we're going to discuss replacing existing channel banks with our JumboBank. TC Communications has a variety of interface options which are carried over modern transport networks. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on T1 using our JumboBank solution. While we refer to T1 throughout this video, the JumboBank also supports E1 in the same fashion as T1. For more information about other options, please watch our channel bank replacement video. The link is in the description. For T1 channel bank replacement, we have two options, the JumboBank and Mini Channel Bank. With the JumboBank, we have a 5U rack and a 1U rack option. Our 5U can hold up to 8 interface cards and hold 2 fully redundant T1 cards for primary and secondary, and the 1U can hold 2 interface cards. This diagram illustrates how the JumboBank works. We have a central site with a populated 5U rack and 3 remote sites with a 1U with 2 interface cards at each site connected with T1. We have serial going from the central site to substation 1 and 3, 4-wire E&M from the central site to substation 2 and 3, and FXS from the central site to substation 1 and 2, all of which are going across T1. As previously mentioned, the T1 is optionally redundant. There is a primary and secondary T1 card with the 5U. If the primary fails, the secondary will continue without any disruption to the network. The JumboBank is also capable of converting each card into a DS0 within one or multiple T1s, as shown here. For smaller channel counts, the 1U can also be used. In addition to the 5U and the 1U, you can also use a standalone chassis with a single interface card. Let's say you need a small number of ports. In this case, you might want to look at our Mini Channel Bank. For more information about the Mini Channel Bank, please watch our channel bank replacement video or please visit tccomm.com/Mini Channel Bank. Let's talk about some of the features of the JumboBank. The JumboBank operates with mission-critical requirements. Fully solid-state with no moving parts. Redundant load-sharing power supplies. Hot-swappable and pre-configured cards across the board, which means the system will remain running if there needs to be a replacement and none of the other cards will be disturbed. And then, of course, as with all TC Communications products, an extended temperature range of -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. To learn more about the JumboBank, please take a look at our product matrix. Also, feel free to visit our website at tccomm.com. Information about the JumboBank is found under the product drop-down menu, third link from the top. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.